Today we are going to discuss one more LeetCode problem in LeetCode 75, product of array except self. Okay, so first we'll understand the problem. Before understanding the problem, there is one thing here. You must write an algorithm which runs 0 of n time and without using the division operator. You don't want to use the division operator. Okay, now observe here. What is exactly the question is here? You need to find out product of array except self. Now see here, there are 4 elements. In the first one there are in the first one there are 4 elements. So you have to return an array which contains 4 elements only. Okay, so the result array should be same size of input size. Okay, now the question is, you need to provide array except self product. You have to provide, suppose the first element means except this, you have to multiply remaining elements and you have to return that product. Suppose see here, this is the 1. So except this, these 3 are there. You have to multiply with this. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. So you have to keep the 24 in the 1 with the index where the 1 is there. That's the same index. You have to keep 24. Next, you have the second one. You need to remove this and you have to multiply this. 1 into 3, 3 4 is 12. The same way, when you are coming here, you need to remove 3, 1 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8. When you are coming to 4, you need to remove 4, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 6. The same way here, observe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements you have. So you need to create a result array with 5 elements. Okay, now observe, except self, you need to multiply. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into anything is 0 only. Make the same thing here, except this 1 into 0, 0 into anything is 0. Now with the place except this 0, you need to multiply. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Next, remaining all zeros. This is the way you need to solve. So observe here, what you are doing. Like in the first example, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are multiplying. Suppose if you are taking this one, if you are taking the product of this one, what you are doing? You are multiplying this 2, 1 into 2, 2, and this you are multiplying with this one. Means for any element except this, means you are first calculating the prefix product. Okay, then you are multiplying with the suffix product. Okay, so here you don't get. Okay, I'll take on 5 elements, then you understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose next example, when you are calculating for this, how you are multiplying? 1 into 2, then 4 into 5, 20. Then you both this one you are doing 2 into 2, 40. So first you are calculating the prefix and then suffix product. Then you are multiplying both. Okay, so this is the principle we are going to use here. First we are going to calculate the prefix, any element prefix product, and next suffix product. Okay, so here the first thing you need to remember is, for the first element in array, prefix product is 1 because there is no elements before, so the prefix product is 1. The same way for the last element, suffix product is 1 because there is no element after this, so suffix product is 1. So now you observe what you are going to do. First step, you are going to create one result array. Okay, this is the result array which is length of input length. Okay, input dot length. Okay, now for the first step, this is the result array, right? What you are going to fill with this here? Suffix. First you are going to fill this result array with suffix. I just now told, for the first element suffix product is always 1. So by default I am going to iterate. I am going to keep result of 0 equal to 1. Result of 0 equal to 1. The next one, now see, observe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now what I am going to do? Next, second position. Second position means this one, 2. What are the prefixes there? This is the 1 only, 1 is there. This 1 and you need to multiply with this one. 1 into 1, 1 only. For this 3, you need to multiply here 1 into 1 into 2. So it is 2. Next for the 4 element, 1 into 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. Next for the 5th element, 1 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, 6 for the 24. Okay, this is the way you will calculate the like prefix. Like what we got prefix now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this, what we got result? 1, 1, 2, 6, 24. Okay, we got this. Now suffix. Now you need to reverse. You need to come from this side. You need to come from this side. Now observe here. What I said, prefix of any product. First one, I need to declare one variable suffix product. By initially suffix product, when we are coming from the reverse, last element suffix product will be 1. Okay. Now how we are going to do? Now when you're coming from this side, reverse side, we'll start from the n minus 1. We'll start from the n minus 1 because, okay, observe here, n minus 1 is the last element. Okay, what we are going to do for this, now we have here 1, 1, 2, 6, 24. Now first you will multiply 24 into 1. Okay, because you are multiplying prefix, this is the prefix product, and you are multiplying with the suffix product. Okay, for the first thing what you will get, this is the first one. We already have 24. 24 into 1 is 24. Okay. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to update the suffix product. Okay. How we are going to update? Suffix product equal to suffix product into last element result. Okay. Last element result. Okay. This is the last element because you need to multiply with this, right? See, for this 5 is 1. Okay. Observe. Let's calculate the suffix product also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5, suffix is 1. Okay. For 4, 1 into 5, this is 5. Okay, for 3, 3 into 5, 15. For 2, 15 into 2, 30. For 1, 30. Sorry, 60. Okay, 2 into 30, 60. Okay, now you both need to multiply here. Okay, 24 into 1, 24. Here 6 into 5, 30. Next, 2 into 15, 30. 1 into 30. Next, 60. This is the output. So what you are going to do here, first you are calculating the prefix products. Next you are going to calculate the suffix products. Then you are going to multiply prefix into suffix. Okay, this will give, okay, prefix into suffix. Now observe, now I will tell you here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, suffix products will cover this one. Prefix product will cover this 2. So when you are multiplying only this 2, you are removing this. Except this you are multiplying. Okay, this is the way we are going to do. Now observe here. Okay, first what we are going to do, we are going to take one variable which is length variable. Which length we are going to take? Nums dot length. Why we are taking? We need to create one result array. For that we need to give a size. Okay. Now what I am going to create? I am going to create one result array. Result new int, which is length of same. Okay. Now the next point. Here what we are going to do here? We are going to create first. I tell you. Result now result array will store prefix product. Okay, so for the first element of any array or any element, this is the prefix product is 1 only because there is no prefix elements. So I am directly assigning result of 0 equal to 1. Result of 0 equal to 1. The next one. Next, now here I am calculating prefix product. Now here already we filled one thing. Okay, we already filled the 0th index. So now I am going to iterate a loop from the first position. From int I equal to 1 I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, we are going forward direction. Now observe here. Now what I am doing, result of I means, now observe here what I'll write here first thing, result of I equals to result of I minus 1, okay, then into nums of I. This condition you need to understand, okay. Now observe here. We have result array. This is the result array. Okay, consider only 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 elements are there. 1, 2. Okay, we are going to create with 0 index, first index, second index, third index. By default here there is no element, so we are going to keep here 1. Okay, now what we are doing, okay, the loop will run from here. I equal to, this is also index, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the index from first index it will run. It will go up to third index. Okay, now we are writing the first index, right? So here result of first index is going to be result of I minus 1, means 1 minus 1 into nums, means nums 1. Okay, this is the number array. Now what it is going to do, I minus 1 means 0, it is 1 only, into number array, number of 1 is 2. Okay, now observe here, here also num I minus 1, sorry, here also I minus 1, because we are calculating the prefix, right? So observe, so what it is going to here, 1. Okay, then 1 into 1, 1 here. The next one, result of 2 is going to be 2 minus 1, here also 2 minus 1. Okay, here means 1, this 1 into 2. Okay, what is the value here in the result value, 1 into 2, so it will be 2. Next for the third position, it will be 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1, means, see here in the second position what is there, 2 is there, 2, and here in the third position what is there, next value, 3 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. Okay, now it is completed. Prefix is 1126. Okay, this is why we wrote like this. This is the condition to calculate the prefix product. Now observe here. So we will, in the result array, now our result array will store prefix product. Okay, next one. Okay, I am taking one variable which holds suffix product. Okay, which holds suffix product. Okay, which holds suffix product. Initially the suffix product is 1. Why? I already explained you guys. When this is the last element, for this there is no suffix value, so we are going to consider it as a 1. Okay, now for here, before what we did, we were doing this from the front to end, like we did the suffix array from forward direction. Now the suffix we are going to do in the reverse direction. Okay, now observe here, we are going to write condition here for, we are coming from int equal to n minus 1, okay, n greater than or equal to 0, n minus minus, sorry, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, now here first we are going to replace result of I, okay, equals to result of I into suffix product. Result of I into suffix product. Okay, so then we are going to update the suffix product. Suffix product equal to suffix product, okay, into nums of I. Observe here, this condition I will explain now. Okay. Now what I am doing here, already we calculated the suffix product. Our suffix product is stored in the result array. Already our suffix product contain the 1, 1, 2, 6. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 6. Now what I am doing here, now I am coming from n minus 1, means I am coming 3, 2, 1, 0. First will be here the result of or means result of 3. I am going to update. What I am going to update? Result of 5. What is there? 6 value is there. Suffix product 1. Okay. So here I am going to update as 6. Okay. Because suffix product for this value, last value 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose see for 4 when you are calculating 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 6. Okay. This side there is no value 1. 6 into 1. So 6 is correct. Now for then what I am doing? Suffix product I am updating. Now suffix product is 1. How I am updating? 1 into suffix product is 1. Num of I. Okay, here see. Suppose here for third suffix value is 4, right? So now he 1 into 4. Now the suffix product will contain 4. Okay. Now when you are calculating for the second result, means see now for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one. What is the suffix product? 4. See, we have suffix product 4 and prefix product is 1 into 2. 2 we have. So we are multiplying result this one. This 2 into suffix product. So we are going to update 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Okay. Then what we are going to do here? The next suffix product is going to be update. What is the suffix product now? 4. 4 into 8, 32. Okay. Now observe here. We have now 1, 1, 2, 6. 6 is updated when the suffix product is 1. Now the suffix product is 4. Then you have updated with the 8. Now when updated 8, now see 4 into next one is 2. Okay, sorry 12. When you coming here suffix product, okay, this is 3, right? 3 means 12. Next suffix product is 12. Okay, now when you are updating here 12. 12 into what is the value here in 12? Prefix product value is 1 and the suffix product value is 12. Okay, next you are done. This is done. Now for the first one suffix product is 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 12. Means we have already 12. 12 into 2 we are doing to 4. Suffix product is 24. Okay, 1 into 24. So output is 24, 12, 8, 6. Okay, now observe here. Correct? 24, 12, 8, 6. Okay, this is the way we are going to calculate the suffix product. Now in the end what we are going to do? We are going to return result. Okay, let me run it. Sorry, int I. Maybe spelling mistakes. Oh, let me run again. Oh, okay, it is nums. See, this kind of things will happen. Don't worry, these are all compilation problems. Okay, see, it is accepted our test cases. Okay, now we are going to submit to run actual hidden test cases. Now observe, our code just beat 87.98% people. Okay, now let's see. This is the one who beat the 100 people. Okay, what they return? They also return the same thing. They first calculated the prefix and they then calculated the suffix. But what they did, they used the static block. Okay, they used the static block. What this static block? See, if you see my solutions, sorry, my submissions. If you see my submissions also, I have cleared 0 milliseconds. How? Observe. What will happen here when you copying this static code? Okay, observe. Just instead of typing, I'm just copied. Okay. Now, when I did this, see now when I'm submitting this, observe my code also beat 100%. The same code, I didn't change anything. I just added one extra static block. What I did here, I just created one for loop which will go from 0 to 500 and which will call the same method product of except self with the just 0, 0. Okay, there is a values, just two values are there inside the int array. There are 0, 0. So what I am doing here, I am applying here JIT compilation. Okay, I am applying here JIT compilation. Okay, if you want to understand this JIT compilation, comment, I'll explain. Okay, so here what is going to do this, when you are calling any method, it is going to convert into the native code, which will make that method directly, instead of converting to the bytecode, it will directly convert to the machine language code, native code. So that will make the process fast. Okay, that is what JIT compilation. If you want to understand, comment it, I'll create one video. Thank you for watching.